Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out a particular area or location in Google Maps by using the Tripadvisor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on either the explore or search button to search for a place that you are interested in and would like to see the nearby area in the map. So scroll down till you find the area section, and here you can see the address. So just simply click on it and tap on open in maps. So here you can plan your way to get there, and also check out the location by tapping on it, zooming in, and you will be able to see the nearby area of that particular location that you are interested in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.